Hey guys, so I'm here hanging out with Rihanna and Emily. Okay, Arthros is animal with me at me. That's cool. Okay.
Not a princess.
Okay. All right, that's cool. Yeah, we're just kind of hanging out, taking pictures. You know. What are you doing there, Missy?
I haven't hit the camera once.
Ow! You hit the camera.
Oh, I got it.
No, don't smash the camera. Oh. Oh God.
Put it back on your face.
What? I was like, what?
Put it back on. I want to see you get hit in the face. Okay, that's enough.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I hit my bangs. Oh, I hate it when my bangs go the opposite direction. How dare you? You know what I mean? Like, don't give me that look.
Okay.
Zoom in on your face, girl.
Oh gosh, no.
It's a really slow zoom. But it's getting there.
On my face.
Oh my God, that's great.
If you want some of this, call 997-843-56.
And zooming back out very slowly.
Number.
Alright, bye y'all. Anything y'all want to say?
Screw Ashley.
What the?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I have.
Be awesome. Love you, bye.
Oh, copycat.
I am.
Emily, anything you want to say?
Bam, it's Ashley.
You guys are both in the same frame, so.
I don't know what to say.
92.
Bam. So you say bam, it's Ashley, and I'll say 92 when we both go.
Okay.
Bam.
Bam, it's Ashley.
92. Bam.